So as you can see right now in my Salesforce account, I have a total of 37 contacts. But now whenever someone sees my ad on their Facebook and they're interested and they fill in this lead form automatically, the new contact details will be added in my Salesforce CRM. As you can see, I filled in this form as Jane user. Let me just open my Salesforce and refresh this list. You can see 37 turned into 38 and the new contact details are added right over here. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Now let's see how this automation can be created. So to create this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free if you also want to try Pabbly Connect for free. And once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code which is RITYT. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. You just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, just click on this create workflow and then go towards this create using quick builder. Now you just have to explain your workflow. I want to connect Facebook lead ads to Salesforce, so I'm just going to type Facebook leads to Salesforce right over here and I am just going to send this message. It is analyzing my request and it is saying, did you mean one of these? Yes, it is Facebook lead ads, so I'm just going to select the same. Now for the trigger event, I'm just going to select new lead instant. It is saying with Salesforce action, so select it as create contact and this workflow is created. Just click on this approve and create and then click on this open workflow and the workflow is ready in front of you. Now you just have to connect your applications and you're good to go. Now in order to connect Facebook lead ads, for that just go on this Facebook lead ads and over here click on this connect button. Click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Now you have to make sure that your Facebook account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only going to get this option to click on this continue. So once you get this option, just click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After this connection is created successfully, you just have to select your page name right over here. My page name is Prime Properties, so I've selected the same. And now for the lead form, I'm just going to use this property inquiry form. You can select any other of your choice. If you want to create this automation for all your lead forms, you can just go on this all lead forms too. And then for the response format, keep it as simple and then click on this save and send test request button. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just open a new tab and search for Meta for developers and then open the landing page of Meta for developers. After you open the landing page of Meta for developers, go on this resources, then developer tools and then scroll and select lead ads RTO debug tool. It is going to open your lead ads testing tool. So what you have to do is you have to select the same page which you selected in your workflow. Then you have to select the product as lead retrieval and select the same form which you selected in your workflow and click on this preview form. Once you click on this preview form, it is going to ask you for all the details. So one by one fill in these details and simply complete this form. So as you can see over here, I filled in all of my details. Now let me just move on further and click on this continue and then submit. Now you can see we have successfully submitted this form and we have to just go back towards our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same test lead right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds and you're going to see yes, Pabbly has captured the response for the same in 5 seconds only. As you can see, I'm just going to use these details in order to create a new contact in my Salesforce. So for that, just click on this Salesforce and now let's connect Salesforce and then click on this add a new connection and then connect with Salesforce. Now you also have to make sure that your Salesforce account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your Salesforce account too. Then only going to get this option to give Pabbly all of these permissions. Just click on this allow and your Salesforce will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After that, you just have to mention all of these details. But we're not going to enter these details manually by tapping it, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, just put a slash and then search for the details which you wish to map in map map it like this. Like I want to map the name, so I'm just going to put a slash and then search for the name, and then simply map the name. When we're just going to search for the name, you can see that we have full name of our lead, but I want name separated in first name and last name. So if you're going to collect the name separated first name last name in your form section, then it's okay. But if you also collect full name all together, then what you have to do is you just have to click on this save button, and between this Facebook lead ads and Salesforce, click on this add new action step. For the action application, use text formatter by Pabbly, which is going to help you split the full name into first name and last name. For the event, select it as split text and click on this connect. Now for the text to split, simply map the full name right over here. For the separator, select it as space. So in order to use separator as space, just type inverted commas space inverted commas closed. Now for the segment in text, keep it as all and click on the save and send test request button. Now you can see the full name is split into first and last. Now we are just going to map it right over here in our Salesforce. So for the first name, I'm just going to put a slash, map the response of this split text. Then for the last name, I'm just going to put a slash, map the response. For the email address, I'm just going to put a slash and map the email address of my lead. Then for the phone number, I'm just going to put a slash and map the phone number. It is asking me for many other details, but all of these details are not required. If you wish, you can definitely enter all of these details. But now before we click on the save and send test request button, I'll show you that we have a total of 38 contacts in my Salesforce CRM. But now when I'm just going to click on the save and send test request button, you can see that we have received this ID and success true. This means that a new contact is created. So let me just open my Salesforce and refresh this list. You can see we have total of 39 contacts and the new details are added right over here. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation. And like I showed in the starting of this video, that whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, instantly the details will be added in our Salesforce. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Don't forget that the discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount, or in fact the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect right now, which is a total of 6%. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.